Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers in the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. This is video 10 in my Dragon Dreams series, and this is the flip through. And I used the Dragon Destiny Mega Project Pack by Victoria Designs to create this book. Now, I made this out of manila folders, but I made it more like a book than a super flappy thing like what I usually make. There is one flip down, but other than that, it's more like a book. So obviously this is the cover. This is one of my favorite pictures from the kit. And I decided that I didn't need to decorate it because it pretty much spoke for itself. I debated on coloring the eye. Not sure. I may still go back and do that with my alcohol inks. I have a black ribbon tying it shut. And on page 1, we have like an introductory page. Then over here we have a tag and a card. And the tag is inked on the back with dragon scales. And this one looks like paper on the back, so I didn't stencil it. But I did stencil the back of most of the writing cards. Here we have just a little bit of ephemera. And on this page, this is sort of like a center spread, even though it's only the second page. These images are just gorgeous in this kit. I just can't say that enough. This has a writing card, which I'm not going to pull out because, you know, they never come out and they never go back when you are doing a flip through. Okay, well, see, like I said, take my word for it. There's a writing card in there. And then you open this up. There's a couple of tags and a little bit of ephemera. This ephemera is carried throughout the book. Some writing space here. And I will actually probably go back and put some ephemera right there. On this side is also another writing card that I'm not going to try to take out, which is all stenciled on the back with the dragon scales. And then some more writing space and a couple of tags. And these are all held together by magnets. There's magnets all throughout the book. There's a side pocket here. And there's a card in here that's been stenciled. This is a belly band, and I decorated that with some scrap paper. And, well, it's scrap from the kit. And then we have this beautiful writing card. And then on the back is the dragon scales. Yes, I realize this one's at an angle. When you take the card out, that's where you see the thumb hole for this card. And when you take it out, the thumb hole is invisible. When I cut this out, I just glued the semicircle back in there, and that covered up the manila folder stenciling, or inking, I mean. There's a spot at the top of 4 of these pages. Back here is one. I put an envelope in this one just to show you, but this is a cut down envelope, business envelope, and then I printed on the front and I printed on the back, and then inside is some of my custom dyed writing paper, and there's enough room for 3 more of those. Never take them out because they don't go back. And that goes there. So when you get here, there's the center. There's the center pocket here. There's 3 of those. And when you get here, there's a top pocket space here for another envelope. This page here is actually page 8. It opens like this. These are 2 envelopes that I layered on top of each other. And then when this opens up, there's a writing card, but then there's also a writing card inside of each envelope. When I attached it to the page, I attached it as a belly band, and so there's a large writing card behind, and it's stenciled as well. I stenciled all of this here with the dragon scales on the inside and the outside, inside and out. Kind of mixing my little phrases there, huh? And then when you flip this down, this is the only flip down. Let me turn it sideways. When you flip this down, there's a double magnet. Like I said, everything's held by magnets just to make sure it would hold the weight. And you flip this down, and here there's another card held by a magnet with the writing card inside. Just going to tell you that it's there. And then here's some more ephemera that looks like a little antique paper. And then another writing space. Up here is a pocket with 3 large cards. Let's see how many are stenciled. They all look like writing paper on the back, like this one does. And they go in here, and here's some tickets and some more of the little ephemera. So this goes back up like this with the magnets. Then there's another center card right here with another hidden thumb hole. So there's another card here. I got it to go back in. It's because I manhandled it. And then there's a pocket here. But then this, and a little side tuck with some tickets in it. But then this actually folds down as well with another little tuck with a ticket in it. So you can just put the writing card here, and then you flip it up and it's held by magnet. Here's another center card. Here's another tuck at the top, or another spot at the top for a writing card. And I think we missed one. Yes, there's one right here as well. Then on this page, there's this little ephemera carried through. You flip open the envelope, and there's some of the custom dyed writing paper. And I made these so that they tuck under, but there's also some repositional tape on there just in case. And then this one flips open as well. I put them both on as tucks, so there's room for cards here. There's also room for cards here. And this is actually a belly band. You could put something here if you wanted, but I thought I'd kind of make it look like the envelopes are falling in the slot. Then on the last 2 pages, we've got the same ephemera carried through. These are little manila folders. But here on this page first, this is an actual writing card that comes out with this beautiful image, and there's an image behind. Ta-da, it went back in. And I hand cut this out with my Big Shot. And this acetate is, I almost said acetone. This acetate was put in by hand as well. Here's 2 little tickets. And then you open this up, and it's a decorative page that matches the cover. On this side is a writing card. And you take that out. There's that beautiful image in a hidden pocket. Then on this back page is a double large tuck with writing paper in each one. You could put more. There's plenty of room to put more in there. And then in this little front pocket, each one, when you take the paper out, is a continuation of the image. When you take both of them out, and you take these out of the pocket, then you have the entire image. Like so. If I hadn't inked this, then it would have been, or inked the edges, then it would have been a complete hidden whole deal. These are little mini file folders that come with the kit, and the images on these are great too. Like I said, the images throughout are just gorgeous. Let's see if I can say that one more time. And then the papers go back in. Sure they do. That one didn't go in all the way. That one did. Let's see if I can get this one to do it. Probably not. Nope. Doesn't want to cooperate. I'm not going to mess with it. And then we have the back cover, which I thought was really neat because of the dragon writing. The ephemera that comes with the kit, I believe there's 12 pages, and there's some more of the dragon writing, the actual individual cutout letters. So that's my book, and I hope you enjoyed the flip through. I really loved making this. There's a 9-part video series that went along with this, and there's also a written tutorial. If you're a member of the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, then you get that for free. Okay, thank you for watching my flip through, and I will see you in the next video series, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Thank you. Bye-bye.